So hello everyone, in this video we will look at the receiver settings in DJI MIC3 receiver. So let's turn on the receiver first, press it for 2 seconds and then the receiver will turn on. We will choose the indoors environment. So now this is the home screen of DJI MIC3 receiver. Here you can see that I have one connected transmitter. You can see the battery levels and the stereo or mono mode in which the mic is connected. Also you can see 32-bit float recording and lossless audio recording, which I have turned on already in the receiver. So in this video we will look at the receiver settings. So in the receiver settings you have like the audio recording mode on the mics. You can choose mono or stereo mode. Press it once and then you can see the mic is connected in mono mode, which means the single mic is recording the both left and right audio output on this mic. So if you press it once, it will change it to stereo mode. So in stereo mode you can record left and right audio in different mics. So currently I am using the other transmitter for recording this video, so we won't be able to connect the other transmitter now. So let's go back. Now the next setting we have is audio monitoring. So you can use this audio monitoring to listen to the voice that the transmitter is recording. So you can select the transmitter which you want to use. In DJI MIC3 you can connect up to 4 transmitter in one receiver. So we will choose transmitter 2 and then you can select the volume of the to listen to the audio. You need to connect a headphone jack in the audio audio port to listen to the live audio that you are recording. The next setting we have is gain control. You can open the gain control and then rotate the wheel to increase or decrease the gain. So what this does is the audio that it is receiving from the transmitter, it amplifies the audio. So let's say we are speaking slowly, you can add +6 gain to make the audio look more loud, or if you are speaking loudly you can reduce the gain to make the audio a little bit on the lower side of the spectrum. Let's go back to the main settings. So the next setting we have is lossless audio. You can turn it off or on. So if you turn it on, then it will use more battery for the transmission and the range also decreases. So you can choose it to keep it off or on. So in next setting we have auto on off with camera. So what this does is, if you have a device, DJI device or any other device which you have connected the receiver with, when you turn off the camera, the mic will also turn off, and when you turn on the camera, the mic will turn on automatically. So in the next setting we have auto off. So what this does is, if you don't use the mic or receiver for 15 minutes, it will automatically turn off the receiver. So this is usually helpful when you are traveling outside and you don't have like charging means, so this can help you save power. So the next setting we have is the environment. This is usually not very much of use. You can choose indoor or outdoors, but what this does is it makes some more settings available to you. So we are indoors, so we will choose indoors, and then you can set the settings, like if it always want to ask on the power on screen, so you can choose to turn it off or on. So this was the receiver settings on the DJI MIC3. In the next video we will look at the transmitter settings that we have on the DJI MIC3 receiver. So subscribe to the channel.